Good morning to all. You will learn about last part of the changing cultural traditions in Europe from 13th century to 18th century. Here you will learn about scientists, the Renaissance, how the modern science developed, how the new discoveries and new sea routes. First, you will learn about the 16th and 17th centuries, a timeline chart. What happened in 1516, Thomas More, he published that Utopia. 1517, Martin Luther, he wrote 95 Theses. 1522, Martin Luther translated the Bible into which language? Germany. Means German language. 1525, peasants uprising in Germany. Uprising means the revolt. Peasants means farmers. Farmers revolt in Germany. 1543, Andreas Vesalius writes on anatomy. And 1559, Anglican Church established in England with the king as its head. King or queen as its head. 1516, what happened? This is very important. Gradus Mercator, he prepared cylindrical map of the earth. Do you know who prepared the map? First, Gradus Mercator. Okay. 1582, Gregorian calendar introduced by Pope George XIII. Very important. Gregorian calendar. Present day you are using Gregorian calendar only. Who introduced that? Pope George XIII. 1628, blood circulation. William Harvey linked the heart with blood circulation. And 1673, Academy of Science, Academy of Sciences set up in Paris. Very most important. Paris is the capital of France. 1687, very important, Isaac Newton, Principia Mathematica published. Isaac Newton published that Principia Mathematica. Gradus Mercator was the father of Dutch cartography. Understand? Beginning of modern science. In the Middle Ages, most of the people were not believed the new ideas. They're always in superstitions and old beliefs. Most of the men were not interested in investigating the world where they were lived. Very few men were interested in searching and find out the truth. But at the time, no one was believed about scientists. What the scientists revealed means what they told. Who was the father of scientific method? Roger Bacon. Understand? First person, Roger Bacon. He was seriously search for the truth. He find out the truth. He made experiments with the metals and chemicals, and probably had a crude microscope. He worked out some theories that suggested the practical usefulness of many inventions. He worked out theories that suggested the practical useful of many inventions that have since been made, including that steamships, automobiles, aeroplanes. These are all utilized by the Roger Bacon scientific method. Okay, even though, but Renaissance time, the people not believed about that. After that, Nicholas Copernicus, Polish astronomer Nicholas Copernicus, used the scientific method, and he built an observatory from which he patiently studied the heavens. From his observatory, he studied that and investigated and concluded the theory, heliocentric theory. According to this heliocentric theory, Sun is the center, remaining all other objects revolving around the Sun. It is called solar system. Understand? Sun is the center, remaining other planets and other objects were revolving around the Sun. This is known as heliocentric theory, which was proposed by Nicholas Copernicus. Understand? And finally conclude that world theory of universe was wrong. Who proposed that world theory? Ptolemy proposed that world theory. It is called geocentric theory. What is this geo? Geo means here Earth. Earth is the center of the universe, remaining all other objects around the Earth. Understand? Ptolemy said that Earth is the center of universe and the stars and sun and other planets revolve around the Earth. But it was wrong. But initially proposed by Ptolemy. It is called geocentric theory. Understand? Finally, Copernicus concluded that is one of the planets that revolve around the sun. Understand? But at the time, no one believed. Mainly the church rejected the new theory as a contrary to the teachings of the Bible and church. They were not believed. Understand? And finally, he was arrested by the court of church. He was no longer in the very heart of a universe that had been made for him. Observe this picture. Who was he? What he is observing? It was Galileo. He discovered telescope. He belonged to Italian genius person. He made telescope. It can see a ship 50 miles away as clearly as through it were only 5 miles away. This instrument also aided in the study of astronomy. Galileo was a very popular and brilliant lecturer and writer, discussing the theories of Copernicus. He told his audiences how he himself had seen the moons of Jupiter and the revolution of the planets on its axis. For this work, he was summoned to appear before a church court. What is this? Summoned. Summoned meant ordered. He discovered new theory. That's why church holders asked him to order appear before the court. Due to that teachings of Galileo, he was tortured and long imprisonment also there. It is said that as he left the trail, he was had to mutter. Mutter means something is saying slowly. But that does move, means whatever it is going on, whatever it happened, earth continuously move. This was he said that. Galileo also discovered certain laws of the pendulum which made it possible to develop more satisfactory clocks. Do you know old clocks? Observing one pendulum is moving, tick sound coming, tick tick sound. In experiments from the Leaning Tower of Pisa, he proved that heavy and light objects fall at the same speed, not in the atmosphere. You all know that. Now, we will learn about exploration of sea routes, new sea routes. During that Renaissance period, Europeans extended their limited knowledge of geography, means they want to expand, means develop their knowledge, mostly in the geography. There were several reasons for this. The compass and the astrolabe, which helped the sailors the directions they were going and their location had been invented. Ships were improved so that they were more seaworthy. Sailors now doubted that they would fall off the edge of the earth. if they went too far out to sea. Understand? They thought like that. Up to that, they don't know. They believed that old traditions and old theories. Earth is a flat. That kind of theories. And finally, who discovered that? Who told that Earth is a round? Initially, who said that? Aristotle. Without investigating, imagine that. And finally, investigated. One sailor and scientist investigated. Who was that? Ferdinand Magellan. He said about Earth is not a flat, Earth is a round disc, because he started from Spain and finally his ships reaches to the same place. Continuously 3 years he traveled that, from 1521 to 1523. Finally reached that same place. So that's why he proved that by investigating and experiment, Earth was a round disc. From that onwards, everyone follows that Earth is a round disc. Understand? In the year 1453, Constantinople was occupied by Turks, means Turkish sultans. This was very famous religious place and it is important trade sea route between the west and east. These were blocked by the Turkish people only. Means blocked means closed that. At the time onwards, all the several other European countries, they studied about and they wanted to find out new sea routes. Understand? Do you know who discovered sea route to India and who discovered America? Let us study about this. The navigators, they are belong to the Portugal and Spain. They played an important role in the geographical explorations. Prince Henry, the navigator of Portugal, discovered a sea route to western coast of Africa. Finally, Bartholomew, a very able Portugal navigator, sailed around the Cape of Good Hope at southernmost point of Africa continent. Vasco da Gama went around the Africa and landed into Calicut. It is located in India. Calicut means Kazikode now. It is in Kerala. When did Vasco da Gama discover sea route to India? In 1498. At the time, Calicut was ruled by Hindu king Raja Jamrud. Understand? He reached India. Next important person, Christopher Columbus. He discovered new sea route to East actually wanted to find out news related to Eastern countries like India and other Asian countries. He thought that and believed that Eastern shores means east coast of Asia lay across the dark Atlantic Ocean. He thought like that after a long travel, dangerous voyage, Columbus reached that land on an island. He reached finally one island. On October 12, 1492, at the time he thought that he had reached the East Indies. East Indies means he thought that India it is. And natives also call that East Indies because first he thought that it is India. Understand? Amerigo Vespucci, an Italian sailor, followed Columbus and he confirmed that the new world discovered, it is America by Columbus, was quite different from Asia. Columbus reached that one island, it is belonged to India, but not India it is. East Indies, East Indian Islands. Actually, he thought that East Indian Islands, but not correct. Actually, it is in the western part. That's why present day we called West Indies. And another name, West Indian Islands. Understand? In that place, another important person, Ferdinand Magellan. He was also a sailor from Spain. He also made the long voyage around the world with the help of Spanish King Charles. Understand? He crossed the Atlantic Ocean, went around the southern tip of South America and sailing through the straits. He reached that Pacific Ocean and landed at the islands of Philippines. This voyage was great landmark in the history of exploration of the sea routes. Already I told you, Ferdinand Magellan, he only find out, finally he proved that investigation and proved that Earth is a round disc. Understand? Thank you. What do you observe in this picture? See this bar diagram mentioned in that x-axis centuries 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th, and y-axis number of copies means printed books. Generally this type of question will ask in that examination. By observing this picture or bar diagram, asking several questions. In which year printed more number of books? You can easily find out 18th century. Observe here. In which century least books are published or printed? 15th century only. At the time, who invented that printing press? John Gutenberg, belonged to Germany. Understand? In examination, mapping skills you should learn by observing this map. You can find out and answer the questions. Understand? Vasco da Gama. Who was Vasco da Gama? He was belonged to Portuguese, means country. Which country? Portugal. Magellan. Who was Magellan? Where onwards he started? Means in which place onwards started? Magellan started from, you can see this red mark, from Spain. Started from Spain. Next, who discovered that West Indies? See here, West Indies. Yes, see here, West Indies. Columbus discovered that West Indies. Actually thought that it is the islands belong to India, East India actually, but it is West. Okay. This kind of questions will ask in examination. Okay. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.